Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks channel. You may have a Microsoft Word document with multiple pictures with various sizes. Now you can resize them one by one, or you can resize them all at once. In this tutorial, I will show you several methods to resize the pictures all together or individually. Okay, let's get started. Here I have multiple images of various sizes. Let's first resize them manually one by one. I want to resize this picture, so I click on it and then right mouse click. Down here, there is a size and position option. I choose it. There are three tabs in the layout window: position, text wrapping, and size. In this case, I need size. Notice that first uncheck the box next to the LockAspectRatio. And now I enter the desired values for the height and width of pictures in the given fields. I go ahead and click on OK. As you can see, the size of the image changed. Now I want to resize these three images all at once. First, I should change the layout option. So I select the image and then click on this icon. In this layout option, choose one of these 6 options. Any of them except this. I do the same for the other one. Alright, I press Ctrl down and select the images. Then on the Picture Format tab, on the Size category, I can enter the height and width sizes. Or I can easily right mouse click and choose the Size and Position option and change the sizes here. As you can see, all images size changed all at once. Alright, these were the manual methods for changing the size. Let's use macros for the second method. Using macros allows you to automate tasks that otherwise would require repeated effort. It is possible to create a macro by recording or writing down the steps. The pictures need to be resized all at once, so I use macros. Okay, I select the image and go to the View tab in Macros. Now I type the name of the macro that I want to create. I type ResizeImage. And now I click on Create. This window will open. I select the existing code and delete it. Now I use this code to resize images. Then I click on Save and Cross icon. For using the macro, I select the image again and go to the View tab and Macros. I will now see the Macros window. I select Resize macro and click on Run. After I press the Run button, you will notice that all images will change in size. Alright, you learned these methods to resize images in Microsoft Word all at once or individually. If you like these tutorials, please hit the thumbs up and do subscribe in case you're not subscribed yet. As always, thanks for watching. Have a good time.